Hi everyone, I'm Jamie from Colorlight. Welcome to the first episode of our deep dive into the CS20 AK Pro media server by Colorlight. Today, I will show you some of the most exciting features. Powered by Granite Software. At the heart of the CS20 AK Pro is Colorlight's very own Granite server software, engineered for performance and reliability. This powerhouse server effortlessly adapts to any scenario, be it immersive exhibitions, cutting-edge digital center, high-profile events, or executive-level conferences. Ultra 8K video decoding and output. This server supports both FFmpeg software decoding and DXVA hardware decoding, making full use of CPU and GPU power, smooth playback of Ultra 8K video, and pixel-perfect display on ultra-large screens. Frame-accurate multi-server sync. With Colorlight exclusive Granite sync technologies, dozens of servers can work together in perfect frame-by-frame synchronization, delivering high-resolution visuals with stunning accuracy, even across massive displays. Creative display, limitless possibilities. Got a creative setup? No problem. The CS20 AK Pro supports all kinds of the display formats, think spheres, ultra-wide screens, and custom-shaped layouts, thanks to advanced slicing, wrapping, rotating, and combining features. What you can imagine exactly what you can achieve. Play any popular media format, from videos and images to PowerPoints, text files, and web pages. The CS20 AK Pro can play it all directly with no need to convert your files. Real-time network video input support. Whether it's HDMI, SDI, or DVI, the server supports multiple real-time video inputs. It also handles high-quality, low-latency, full NDI, and bandwidth-efficient NDI HX streams, making it easy to capture live feeds from the desktop or cameras with minimal delay. That's all for today's look at the CS20 AK Pro. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next episode. If you want to know more details, please follow Colorlight's website.